Again. Where are you going with this one? Not in this house. Where are you coming with this one? You better take it to where you stole it from. Not in my house. Your mates are building better houses and doing better things in the city. You are here carrying goat from people's places. Not here at all. Take this goat away. Not here. It cannot come.
Fine, no vex. Egu awful. Who sing the song? Can they go Diego? Eh? You no get money. You no go support person with the industrials. What did they worry you? Negative energy everywhere. No be your mate to be Aliko Dangote. You no get shishi. You no go fit support me.
Is it by stealing? By stealing people's things? Is that how you support you? Not in this house. Until you decide to begin to do things that are right, you can never come here with stolen things at all. This is my house. I built this house with my own money. Until then, you can never bring something like this. Go and build your own house.
Amadi, what is it? I'm getting a milk. What is it? Why would you allow this boy to rest in his house? What is it?
By kunkum.
Hey! What is it? Eh? Please, nah. Go and...
Don't take it here!
Don't! Amadi, what is I've asked you? Amadi, what has my son done? Eh? What has this innocent boy done to you that you won't allow him to have rest in this house? Eh?
Not in my house with that goat. He must not put this goat in my house.
What has this innocent goat done to you that you will not allow him take the meat inside? Eh? The meat he successfully hunted. When
has your son become a hunter?
Hey! He's asking me when my son has become a hunter. Since my son started going out and bringing in meat. How do you define a hunter? A hunter is not people who go out and come back with meat. He's a hunter and not a thief. Allow him to put that meat on the table. Why am I even talking with you? Because my occupation...
Not in my house, oh. That meat cannot be in my house. I will not allow it. Your mates are doing better in the city. Building houses and the rest. You are here coming with stolen things into my house. Don't bring them here. In fact.
You mean to tell me Ebuka hate the whole state, forcing yourself to be his girlfriend? How can I be lying with something of this nature? You should know that. Of course, we are not doubting. But what did you tell him? Do I have a choice? He promised to rape me, so should I say no?
And you're planning to let it slide just like that?
Okay, what do you want me to do?
You want him to choose above, of course. You know what he's capable of doing.
You serious? How can you even suggest such a thing? You know how troublesome Chizoba is. Ebuka will be dead if Chizoba hears this, and you know it. How are you even saying this? Are you serious?
Does he really deserve a good treat? Eh? Tell me, someone who threatens to rape you. What if he did? Dikeh, you're playing with your life. You should refuse to tell Chizoba about this. And listen, if anything should happen to you, you'll be blamed for it. Wait, let's go. Rubbish.
So my, did you tell him everybody?
I don't want. Trust your mother now. You know what I can do. I didn't take him unawares. Bam! Call Galobi, call you nonsense. I put him where he belongs. I made him sit on hot stool. On our cause, Nchaloko news. I don't mind me if I'm koja. At all! If I do not ban. Bam! To do a banner. Or broke him.
No, but I'm going from Banai.
You're a hunter, not a thief.
A hunter?
Hunting is not stealing. My son is a hunter.
Da!
Yes.
Money where they are.
Who said you're a hunter, not a thief? Yes. Tell them.
Mine is a hunter.
Good.
You're a thief.
You're a thief. I know what my son can do anytime, any day. I know what you can do. And I will not stop you. You will go and achieve it.
Make I visit them.
What Why the coat now?
Oh, okay.
You need the thing. Can be the preparation.
Okay, kill him.
I can say an oko.
My name is Ebu.
Ezu Ebu. Man, I will go in Ibro. Hunt and kill.
Okay, hunt and kill.
Hunt and kill. Sharply, can you
okay?
Can you okay? In case it falls, Abiana, the head. I like the head. Keep it aside. Wow. The Lord is here. Hi, nobody can separate me from my song. You are my occupation. Ina a local the thing and ahazi. Ndi mmu na ha bia bara kpo onwe ya amadi ana akụla band azụ. Ibie na akụ band n'ilu. Ọ debe aka na abụ na azụ na akụ. Abam ya ga-akpụ ya. Nna mo gbukpulu m isi e. Dị n'ọkụ.
Good afternoon, beautiful angel.
Good afternoon.
My name is Emeka. I'm from this village.
Okay. And who asked you? But it's fine. I've heard you. Can I go now?
Hey, come on. You are too beautiful to be this harsh.
How am I harsh? I only asked you a question. Can I leave now? Or were you expecting me to sleep here with you?
No, come on. That's not what I meant. Okay, I just want us to spend some time together, talk, and get to know each other better. No bad intention.
Oh, so how am I going to know that you don't have any bad intention? See, I've spent more time than I should. I'm leaving.
Hey, come on. Are you just going to walk out on me like that without telling me your beautiful name?
So what do you call me when you stopped me?
Beautiful angel.
So what happened to that? See.
It's just impossible. But don't worry.
Uju baby. What's up now? Why like this now? It's not your normal vibe. What's happening?
See, me, I'm not in the mood now. I'm not in the mood. One guy just insulted me.
Wait now, every time you're not in the mood. If I get the other side now, you say you're not in the mood. Even the other side says you're not in the mood. Okay, yeah, now you're not in the mood. Somehow now, sometimes be in the mood so that we can spend something. Everybody will be happy. Why are you acting like this now? What's the problem? Talk to me. Come closer.
Leave me. It's not one man like that. It's one big cat that thinks I'm one of these girls he can get on his bed in the house.
That's what I'm saying. I know you're not among all those girls that always move around with apples in the uncommitted building, sometimes in the bush, and they are smelling something. I know that's why I'm always coming for you. Yeah? Don't mind them, yeah? Listen to me. I'm not coming to understand for us. I'm just coming to marry you. And you know my father is a one papa. Even if you want like 20 gallons of power, we'll carry it and come down there. We'll do your thing. I'll move. We'll start constructing children. Like once they reach 15, we'll come down. I'll marry another wife. We'll start constructing. 15. I'll marry another one. I'm sure your sisters are saying many now, like one after the other. Come in now. I'm ready. I'm capable. You are my spec.
Idiot.
What can you say? Mom has begun to work out. What did I do now? I want to marry you. Go and work out. She gave you. If you look at us. We gotta find address.
Hello?
So the guy thinks me and we did the same cat. You know, I see the yard man say come on, now they are phones. Why they are females now? I say no, by tell you come here, me small, I'm more doing my come on, no, sorry. It's Butonia Lana. Goyala, but I wouldn't do it. You over on a HM. But I didn't. I remember. I don't know. Yes. Very good something.
Crayfish.
Unwe school GA.
Did Vicky tell you anything?
No, I've not even seen Vicky since yesterday.
But I told her to come to the house and tell you about what happened.
What happened? What didn't happen? Any issue?
She was harassed by Ebuka, who forcefully asked her to become his girlfriend or he will rape her.
Mboma, I don't see my own baby. As a nanny. Finally.
He even said you can do him nothing, that he will tear you to pieces if you dare try to confront him.
It is on it is because for this area everybody knows say na me be Jagaban. How Ebuka go take talk that kind of thing? You dey sure?
Can go to Vicky's house and confirm it.
You won't get to Kusikwa Abana Amas about the money bay.
Diamond and Kate is give man museum. Madam, come and give me crayfish.
Boba. What bash. Well now. I didn't change now. Ebuka Onyala naturally as a nanny. Where any walls. Even my calmness and will hit for my woundness. Boma, madam, man, you can have them. Amen, Jesus, you never can answer. Benny, go,
Mad with you. You fear him?
Me fear him. I dey craze. I won't go toilet.
Ebuka, you too dey fear.
Ebuka.
Chizoba, waiting now.
In a music competition. Mba, name calling competition. If I call you Ebuka, you go call me Chizoba. Anto.
Chizoba, why you dey call my name? Huh? I owe you. Jesus.
Did they ask me a question?
But you come here now.
Did they ask me a question?
What are you
Can't
saying?
you wait him?
You dey fear him, you dey fear him. Who him be?
Hey! He say you know they fear me.
Jesus!
You know they fear me. You know they fear me. What you tell my babe? What you tell my babe?
Like
okay, I don't even need. You say?
I tell your babe say I like him and I know they fear you, man. I tell you. Who trying to do like what did they do when I come out the more beat this guy?
I didn't get on
what beat this guy? You don't fear him? Oh, but you don't hold this thing.
Guy, he say bomb one day. But let me feel without receipt.
You say me and
Man say.
Huh?
Man say.
It's that to me, Uju. You see that to me, Uju?
I know they fear you.
Say no, they fear me.
I know they fear you.
I don't hear now. No be 500.
Me no still
Hey, who dey pay you? Sorry, yeah. I dey ask you now. I say sorry, they paying you. Also,
may the thunder of this whole village fire you.
How?
Huh? Oh shit. Also, may the thunder of this village fire you. Few minutes ago, were you not the motivational speaker that motivated me that two of us will beat Chizoba? Huh? Now, a few minutes back, you became the greatest coward I've ever seen.
Self-defense.
Self-defense, kill you there.
Okay. Motivational this and motivational. The greatest motivational quote said, "Fear who pass you."
That's the same Chizoba you called the greatest coward in this village. So you are not scared of him, Abi?
Me? Scared of Chizoba? Oh, me? Also bam bam. Scared of who? Chizoba?
Also, see, if you don't take time, the two of us will fight. And I know I will beat you very well. You
will beat me. See what things about do you compared to what me also mama go do you. Are you stupid?
Stay away from me.
Because I don't carry you come treat you for chemist.
Also,
you still go and 500. Hey, remember your 500. Come down. Hey, now the only thing we fit do. Come give this man 500 though. Come give him 500. You want my go follow you fight Chizoba? Me, Chizoba. Yeah.
You want me to believe Need is sorry? You want me to believe Need is sorry? Eh? How sorry KD? He hide the enemy information na man na chibu horn. Oh, I know what I think. Like Babu guy. Which of Papiago? Eh?
How can you say such a thing? I was always scared because I know how violent you can be.
Really?
I wouldn't want to inflict injury on him. What am I even doing here?
Bonyala. It means Begogi Igbo. Eh? You want to walk out on me? Don't you dare dare do that. I will not bro fear now, eh? It's not what I'm going to tire and me saying a stew. Are you mad? Okay, because you know how violent in there. Or a siagi knows or a banji. Or a six knows a banji. Eh? Kobo horn nebu. Apia Akanike.
No.
It is sure. Obuhonwe.
No.
Anyway, we are going to me achi. By now, injection na be alone.
Why would you do that?
Okay. Our boyfriend, is he your boyfriend?
No.
So, can you defend? In a sympathy. In a sympathy. Hogwa myself. Hogwam. That will be no obim. What like you say, you your boyfriend. Be me a fool, because. Oh, man. I can't want that. I'm going to be boom, man. Where's Zulu over there? Millennia. Abro me small, man. Uju me, my lemon, Uju me, my take it. Mom. Imana na mmadụ oji ama mmụ ya arụọ. So imana agụpụ na ndụ m na mụ ekobezi eko na.
You are aware that still now they don't carry a new state. So they now listen now, they don't transfer them to Enugu State. Like say you don't like all this or something. People know that don't die. The man where they in charge now, died yesterday night. He was seeing the way white money was eating the food. Not like that, he was right. We're going for his very next to buy the food at the house. They will eat us, eat too much food.
Hi, hello. Good
Hi.
afternoon.
My girl, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. My name is Alice.
Hi. Sorry. Are you from this community? You just like you just returned. You look like Uju, but as Uju have pimples.
Like I said, my name is Alice.
Fine name. You the answer.
I am an inspector of police.
She's inspector.
No, don't be scared. I've not come for you guys, right? I was directed here. There's one Chizoba, one guy like that. They said he stays around this area. So I don't know if you can direct me or link me to him.
Yeah, I don't know him. Ask her.
No, I don't know. Ask him. Tell her now. Please, can you guys take me to his house? What is this? I know him. I am not here for jokes. Please.
Madam Olubu, you're not rich like that. Now why are you shouting now? Why they say police is your friend?
I'm
Talk to
sorry
us in
I
a polite
raised my
way.
voice. Please. Do you know his house? Can you direct me? Simple.
This is about girl or man?
He's a male. And they call him one Atulunso or something.
Hi. Atolonso.
Okay, good.
She's
You
in
know
better
him.
position to answer this question, not me.
Have you been to cell before? I will throw both of you. What is all this now?
Please. I will tell you what. Not to use my identity.
It's a promise I will.
Dispose our own. Go like this now.
Can you take me to his house?
No.
All right, give me the direction.
This direction now. There's one more.
Okay.
There's another one.
All right.
Anything you see, take.
Thank you very much. And don't forget, police is your friend.
Thank you.
Right?
This is your friend. I want to lose it on us.
Madam, with the change, the nigga talk one.
Give me the money now. You said I should give you change. Give me the money.
No be how much you going to do? 500 naira. I have 1,000. I will bring 500. I give you change.
Okay.
Nah, man. Get. You go down your money. Why, man. My boy's now papa. Now we go see other. Nah, man. Go there. Go there very soon.
Jesus! But I can't go, Jesus! Oh, hey, bad people, Tifo! Hey, never listen! Hey, tell me more! Hey, Jesus! Jesus! Hey!
Next year, I got don't do it now. What's in the gun? What's it now? At the cabinet, there's some pathology. Nah.
But the second answer you go because even you walk on. Sorry.
Eh?
I'm sorry.
Well, we walk. I mean, we walk.
You got to go. You want to go. Okay, let's have a little minute after you. You take an answer you go.
Get up. In fact, we go away praying for nothing because now when I hear about we will not have made we last start to 7 ganga. You on other one man. One of them.
One there.
Don't I have a woman? It's quite easy. That's right, and you're telling.
You must have committed 1 or 2 things in the palace.
Oh, what is your problem? Don't you get tired?
Listen, sweetheart, I can never get tired of you.
Okay, what do you want?
You know what I want? I want you.
And you can never have me, okay?
Am I not good enough for you?
You are not. Besides, my heart belongs to someone else.
Look, just give me a chance to prove to you how much I care. Please.
Are you deaf or are you just being unnecessarily stupid? Oh, so because you own this thing you call a car, you think you can get any woman you desire, eh?
No, you're getting it all wrong. I don't think so. I just need you to make me complete. That's all.
So, you have been living an incomplete life, Abby? Shame on you.
Why this abuse is an insult?
You don't act like a real man. Real men don't spend their whole day chasing after a woman who have given them a no, because they have a lot of things to do with their time.
You might be right. But remember, they say that it's time for everything. And it depends on what the man have made his priority.
I see. So, pestering and frustrating a woman is what you made your priority. So all the women in this village, it is me that you chose to frustrate, Abby?
See, I'm sorry I didn't mean to frustrate you. But as funny as it may sound, I love you.
Login.
I said I love you, and I'm serious.
You should have told me that your love is all about magnetism now. Eh? Listen, and listen very carefully. I can never love you, so quit trying.
What is wrong with her? What is wrong with her? What is abnormal that she can't accommodate? I'll find out.
Onyeka. Onyeka. Why can't you stop stealing? Stop it. It's not good.
Nnamdi.
I'm hearing you.
Nnamdi.
I'm hearing you.
The question should be, why should I stop stealing? Give me a good reason why I should stop stealing.
Why should you stop stealing?
A good reason.
Okay. Both of us know that stealing is not good. But you had the wrong one.
I don't know.
Okay idea. And if you get caught, you know the implications. It is stated in the Bible, thou shalt not steal. Kusi zuori. Onyeka, kusi is not good. Eh?
Wahala for who they thief. Advice. Look at you, a pot calling kettle black. How can you be preaching to me, Onyeka, an upcoming armed robber, to stop stealing when you have a legend in criminology?
True.
People should always try to remove the long sticks in their eyes before trying to remove the small one in other people's eyes. Look at this boy. Carry on, go.
Onyeka, I know that Chizoba is my brother. Yeah? But I don't fail in any way to advise him whenever I can. Though he doesn't listen to me, but I do try my best. So that's why I'm advising you as my friend to also stop stealing.
You advise him, or has he stopped stealing?
I know he hasn't stopped, but I won't fail. Understand? You are my friend. See, Onyeka, I won't lie to you. Stop stealing. It's not good. Understand?
I know that. Yeah.
Forget. See, this phone now will fade away. Tomorrow now, I'll was on this side, I'll was on. You step on car.
So when you shut up.
Oh, boss has one.
Poor man. On our wall, I know you're going to change. How can you still take that book? If you are happy with who are peering and poor, don't follow my footsteps, boy. You're not gallant. And then, butter.
Good day, woman.
Good day.
Is your husband around?
No, he's not around. He has gone to the farm.
When he returns, tell him that the king demands his presence at the palace immediately.
I hope all is well.
I don't know, but just deliver the message.
Okay, I was on my way to the market. I will tell him when he returns. Baby, promise me you won't do it again.
Okay, if that is what will make you happy, I won't do it again.
Are you sure?
I guess I'm if everybody can all go now. If I am, saying I'm going to me. Just email to me.
Good. Guess what?
I got good in this.
Baby, just guess, try.
You know, guess, try. You open and the good in guessing. I've already win Niger bet and the bet Niger now.
Okay, I saw him come my way here.
Eh? You say? Did he disturb you?
No, he didn't. Far from that. He needed to see the way he ran to the bush when he saw me. Jesus. When he saw me, I was like, what?
So it's supposed to be. They know they fear. As they know they see, as they know they see, they know they hear. Even if they know they hear, they're supposed to perceive. That's what it's supposed to be. Maki buro yin ba jile melebe ya. Afo aso dogu abo. Yeah, now they when men see aso dogu, they will scamper for their safety because they know say if they tamper, one then go feel the wrath of the viper now.
Hey.
Now what thing they do that time? They kuso, they get angry with me unnecessarily.
Hey, in as much as I enjoy being respected as your girlfriend, you still need to cut down on your violence. Seriously, you can actually announce your supremacy without fighting.
No, but see this community, in fact Africa, in fact Nigeria, you know at large. If they don't know you, I'm a couple there. They know they see your face. But once they know you, I could see. I brought you, but you know, if commissioner of police pass here now and you know hold on, you know dress, nobody tell you, you know go. But the moment where they tell you, say, commissioner, baba, you understand? Action speaks louder than voice.
So you mean you're gonna be like this forever? I don't get it.
But yes, soft pedal, more soft pedal. You know, have you if I know your child, the way can answer is neck and air. You don't feel say we go live in peace. More with peace. I want to have our pieces. Be here and Kata. Where they are, not told you.
I actually love you like that. Seriously.
I
love you so much.
I'll be going to kiss him off, man. Yeah, Miss Hannah. Be me. Jesus, oh, damn now. Check and feature now. They're going well. Out. Aye. Baby, can I go in there?
What about your father?
I don't want you. Oh, no, he know they, but even if he did, you tell Ebele enjoy.
I don't even know him. Even if he's from this village, probably he must have grown in the city.
So what does he want from you?
He said he wants me to be his girlfriend.
Girlfriend? And you're considering it?
How can you ask me such stupid question?
Okay, I'm sorry. So what have you done to make him stop disturbing you? Have you told your brother about it?
Seriously? So my brother is supposed to fight for your girlfriend?
Oh, you're a sister, of course.
Oh, I see. When your friend went after my brother's girlfriend, who fought for her? I can see you are not yet done being a coward. You enjoyed that title.
Uju? Uju? Uju?
Onyeka! Come here.
Hey, Mama.
Onyeka.
Mama.
Where were you running to?
Mama, I'm having body pain. I'm going to exercise. Don't walk.
Ibiapa. Okay. What do you have in your hand?
Yeah, I'm working tools.
Working tools? What work do you do?
Okay, Mommy, what? No, into buying and selling now. Go on, buy your trade by papa.
Buying and selling? Okay. No problem. Bring that thing. Let me see what you have.
Mama. So, Mama, you don't even trust your son again. Mama, you're not your home now.
Yes, I do. I do not trust you. Let me see what you have in your hand.
Mama, tell you go, Mama.
Onyeka.
Mama, I'll push you.
Eh? Onyeka, give me hammer. Give me. Hey! Onyeka! Amadi called me, I'm here.
You can't even call me your husband, you're calling me Amadi.
As what? Husband this money for what? I think I should call you Obuesi. Obuago. You just woke up this morning after you went out and come back. You want me to call you my husband? As what? Hugging it? Excuse me. Pico, before you called me, I was busy at the backyard doing something meaningful for myself. So be fast with whatever thing you have to say so I can return to what I'm doing. Pico.
Anyway, I want you to talk to your son. That's why I called you.
Talk to my son for what? Eh? You cannot talk to your son as a man, but you want me to talk to my son. You went out this morning and gathered information. Now you want me to talk to my son. Okay, what did he do this time that you want me to talk to him? Didn't come in.
Okay. Your son had the guts to insult the king. And the king demanded an apology from him. He vehemently refused to do so. So I want you to talk to him.
Can you listen to yourself? Amadi, you call yourself a man. Dressed fully as a cabinet chief, but you cannot utter anything in defense of your family. What if you They told you stories about your son. You cannot defend him. And what makes you think I will succeed where you have fulfilled? Eh? If you can't talk to your son, it's obvious I cannot talk to him.
Okay, well,
yes.
I'm asking you to do that because you have the same accolades and his favorite. So talk to him.
Can you listen to yourself? Amadi, can you just listen to yourself? All the accolades of you just mentioned now belong to my sharp son because he is very intelligent and smart. No wonder Igwe is begging him to apologize. He can't. Did Igwe apologize to him? He now sent you. Oh my God, let me tell you, Pico, you should leave my son alone. Oh? You should just leave him. If you cannot defend your family, let it remain like that. You wear your red cap and you keep walking the streets as a cabinet chief, but you cannot defend your family. You can't say anything in defense of your family. Eh? You know, depend upon what you told you. Because I am very, very busy. When it comes to this, don't call me again. Don't even try to talk to me. Leave my son alone and leave me alone. Oh? Igwe.
I don't blame you at all. I wonder what I have done that the Lord has to give me this kind of wife and useless son.
You have done nothing. Every fault is yours. You should go and thank the gods of this land and every other land for having me as your wife. Had you forgotten, Amadi, the way you came to my house, in the midst of other eligible suitors that I would have married and been living peacefully in affluence. Where go? I choose poor irresponsible man like you just to mold you into a big cabinet chief. Ozurole, now you are regretting it. How can I put you one who say if you don't take time? I am the reason they gave it to you. You don't regret anything. Thank the gods.
If I consider when your mother was asking me to have you then, I will now say it is well done for you and your son. Because then your mother warned me. But I refused to listen. She later said, okay, you can have her. Now you are beginning to come out with those traits she was advising me of them. Well, you will see what you are now doing. Because at old age, these things will occur. And then you will know what you are doing today. No problem.
What is this? Start talking and listen.
It's about Bonachil about but you keep endorsing him.
How dare you? No, who gave you mouth? Who gave you the mouth to talk? What are you good at? I'm asking you, what are you good at? You don't know how to do anything except open your large stomach to eat all my food. As big as you are. You can't even achieve one single thing. I know all your mates, okay, and go. All of them are busy doing one thing or the other, achieving one success to the other. But what can you do? Nothing. You sit here and eat my food. Eh? Don't you know that stealing is an occupation? It's a gosh, talk about. Even to talk, it's difficult for you. I wonder where it came from. Am I the one that gave back to you? That's how it's no! I can't give back to you. No. To somebody like you, they must have received my own child from the hospital. Because the son I gave back to that behaves like me knows what he's doing. He knows how to jump the fence. You think stealing is easy? Stealing is not easy at all. It takes a man with great intelligence, great sports body, who can jump fence and run. Can you run? Mama, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Then what can you do? Apart from stealing, what can you do? If you have been achieving one thing, I will say, okay, let me support you. What can you do? No. You want to help me to cook? You can't. You can't cook! Good for nothing idiot. If I hear my sauce play in your mouth again, I will draw out all your intestines and fill your eyes with dry pepper. Idiot. It is an occupation, if you don't know. My son is so agile that he knows when to jump the fence. Before you say hi, he has brought it home for me. He will bring money home for me. And you are busy eating the whole thing. And when you see that my son is not around, what do? You sneak back home to come and condemn me. Stupid boy. Useless thing. Come on, get out of my sight. I'm empty. Okay, get out! Get out! Come out of my sight. Bella! Come back here also! Come back here for mentioning my son's name. Pack this bitter leaf. Pack it! Pack it! Good day! Mama, this is not good though. Come on, let me start also. Animal, why is this boy daring me? Eh? I am very, very sure in my heart that I did not give back to this thing. Because it's too dull for my liking. There's no how I can give back to a son who cannot behave like me. Eh? Oh my goodness, my job. He thinks and reasons very, very well. He knows when to act. Before you never will go. Before you drop it, he picks it. Calmly, without the person discovering it. It's an occupation. Anything you do to earn money is an occupation. As long as you're not caught in it. You're an occupation! Came back and live for. It's an occupation!
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, swallow you, they are idiots. Don't about you. The greets. What do you know you say the greets? Eh? Onyala. Make you care the kakarika papaya.
Asa petem. Adanje mon. Ewa.
What is it? Eh? What is it? Please be fast. I don't have time.
I've told you I'm sorry about what happened the last time. I'm sincerely sorry. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Be a man. Stop acting like a coward. Whenever you speak, I perceive fear. Till now, you can't openly announce your love for me just because you're scared of my brother, who happens to be your fellow man, Obinna. Eh? Next, you want another man to fight for your girlfriend just because you're scared of your fellow man. Aren't you ashamed?
Okay, listen. Okay, see. I promise you one thing. I will change. I will change.
You will change. Okay. So, when I come to see my family, at least to prove your love for me. You see? Coward. Coward worries me, a coward. That is what you are.
Okay, see. Next week. I promise you. Next week.
Next week?
Yes.
Till then.
Come now. Are you just going to live like that? Not even a hug. You gotta go now. Hug.
See, let me tell you. You are not getting any of those benefits from me. You understand? Until I see those changes that I seek for. Go.
Nah, this girl just want to put me in trouble. Eh? What is my crime? What is my crime? Nah, when you judge Raga.
Mom, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Someone came in here, took all my yams. Even all that coach crops I was hoping to survive that. What will I do now? What will I do?
Someone stole from your farmland. When?
It must be today. It must be today. Because I came here, I was here yesterday, and everything was here. Oh, everything was here. Who did this to me?
Are you sure he's not Chizoba, the son of Mazi Amadi?
Chizoba?
Yes.
Did he come here?
I just walked past him carrying a heavy load on his head. And from the look of that bag, I think it contains cassava and yam. Or yam, I don't know.
Hey! Hey! It's him. It's him. Oh God. What did I do to this boy? What did I do to this boy to deserve this wickedness? What did I do?
I thought it's okay. We'll just report him. That's the only thing.
Hey God.
It's okay.
Jesus. What did I do?
I have given your son enough time, and he's beginning to abuse it. You know, I'm allowing all this because of our friendship. Your son must not push me.
Your Highness, I know that. But that is why I've come to plead for more time. It is not as if I am proud having him as my son. But I cannot change it, you know. Whatever the situation is, when I get back, I will compel him to do the needful. Please.
I am giving your son additional 5 days. 5 days to do the needful. Otherwise, he will see the other side of me. And I mean it.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. I'll do that.
I am so disappointed at you, Tfiakwa. What kind of man are you?
Your type of man, of course. Listen, it's not as if I'm afraid of your brother. But it's just that I'm not in the right mood right now. And besides, you should know that I just returned from a powerful and fearsome battle, which I lost a lot of strength to it.
Who's even sure you fought with him?
Me, of course.
Who should I ask?
Ask me.
So, but none of the villagers saw both of you fighting.
Listen, everything happened so fast, with a blink of an eye. He was already on the floor where I abandoned him and left.
See, I don't have your time now, okay? Please have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.
What is this you said you want to talk to me about?
Baby, are you comfortable being in this village? Or your name keep trending for one reason?
I don't understand.
Are you going to be seated back in this village stealing peanuts from men and women?
What kind of nonsense talk be this one? Eh? Which talk be this one now? You want to insult me, start from thunder fire you. So one be able to come over here and be a hunter. No, you like this kind of thing, no, I beg.
Baby, I want you to leave this village to the city.
Leave the village to the city. Unto, what I get where I go carry go city? I don't get skills, nothing. I don't know. Nah, education na zero, nothing. I don't get anything. I don't get handwork.
Maybe you're physically fit.
Nah, couple physically fit. If physically fitness na money, all those wheelbarrow for don't make billions.
Maybe see, there are several opportunities for you in the city, unlike here in the village. Okay, baby, see, you're going to make so much money. You're going to make plenty money. Come back here and pay my bride price. Seriously. Okay, be cool.
This bride price, where you talk, now I enter my ear. But baby, you sure say you know they send me go city so that you go to Kumbia with all.
Hell no, why would you say such a thing now? No.
Because if I hear, in fact, I don't wanna hear say you there with a buka.
Baby.
If I see a buka, five.
If I cross my heart, I'm going to wait for you, seriously.
You wait for me?
I cross my heart. Trust me.
I don't wanna hear say. I don't wanna hear say a buka near you.
Baby, I love you so much. You're the best baby in the whole wide world.
Only you fit quench my fire.
So you mean you're considering this? You're going to go to the city?
Of course.
Like you're going to the city?
I will do one for you now. If you quench my fire now. Nemo, I am Manarusia. That's what I'm about to go to.
I love you so much.
But you know I love you too. I need to meet you a native doctor or pastor. When you buy an for the watch because I all declare. That's some.
So, what was your father saying?
That's one. Because my father, he has no bearing.
Hey!
If I ever go work, he has no talk of his own, no mouth of his own, nothing.
So he was there and he kept quiet. Or actually, that one, actually, yeah.
Man, this is more you guys don't find a ginger this persecution.
Hey! You're not lying about this. Akwamia, see how you are the one that has been conspiring with Igwe against your son. What kind of a husband is he? Man, you as a husband. Eh? Is it not that this man died on one in my life so that I can marry somebody that will come out to defend his family and not somebody that will team up with our enemies? Eh? Who am I heard that you went and teamed up with our enemies to fight your son. Amadi, against your own blood when we look here.
You are mbu in nature. You see, make I tell you. Now the weed, the way you smoke when you day young, when you day for Colombia. Now enter your head, go block them. No block your eyes. Say you know even they remember Abi. You know they even see say the person where they talk made them kill na your own son, na your own blood.
In our support to kill your son. You can't even utter a word of defense.
Okay, in our hater.
Or hater and can look or hey.
Yeah, the guy had to make it known near me in my next word.
One.
To say you know be my father. One day. Me lebe gia and in lebe after without receipt. Eh? You man here be exhibit.
Amadeko. Amadeko. What are the level like? If you go you know, it will level less.
You want to shoot you could level less.
Amadi, sorry.
My way, my cabinet, my girl, what do you need, man?
At all.
I
want for my occupation cannot fall my hand. What do you get me? This boy got on this village. Nobody can send him out of this village. I must see go to opposite.
This one you are sweating like this. What happened?
No, you needed to be there. I'm telling you, you needed to be there.
I needed to be where?
If you see the way I dealt with him mercilessly.
Dealt with
who?
Ah.
Emeka, of course. Even when he was bragging about his father as of a DPO. You needed to see the way I hung him up like this. I gave him one blow on his jaw. A blow that he can never forget in his life. It's in your corner.
Are you sure?
Wait. I don't understand. Are you in any way insinuating that I'm lying to you?
It's not like I'm doubting you. But anyways, one part remaining.
What part?
You need to meet my brother and tell him you love me.
Chi, how are you and your mother?
I'm fine. And your family?
Oh, they are doing better than I am. I'm on my way to your house.
To see my mother, I guess. She's at home. I left her while coming out.
Not really. I'm coming to see you.
I hope all is fine.
All is fine. It's about what you saw yesterday, which is about going home with 2 bags of yam.
Oh, it's true. I saw him.
I want you to come and testify in front of the Igwe.
Eh?
This is the only way I can recover my yams.
Asobi, don't you think this will cause harm to me?
It will not. I promise you, Igwe will protect your interests. Oh, marry me here. Biko.
Okay, no problem. When the time comes, I'll come and testify.
Thank you so very much.
I'll be going.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
My regards to your mother.
I will.
My yam will come back to me.
Woman,
Good day. Good day, messenger of the throne.
We are on our way to your house, but thank God we met you here. The king demands you come with us to the palace now.
Hey, and I'm looking dirty. At least let me go home and change something better.
I doubt if that will be possible. You can't keep the king and his cabinet members waiting for too long. You need to come with us now.
Eh?
Yes.
So it's urgent.
Very right.
Let's go then.
My dear, I called you to talk to you to leave that criminal alone. I know I've been talking about it, but I think my approach towards it have not been nice. That's why I called you to talk to you nicely, to leave him alone.
Ma, don't tell me you actually called me here to discuss about Cheesy.
Yes, I did. I want you to leave him. Stop seeing him.
Ma, that won't be possible. Oh. That won't be possible. Because Cheesy loves me and I love him too. So I don't think I can quit seeing him. That's not possible.
Cheesy loves me and I love him. I don't think I can. Can you listen to yourself? Just take a look at you. How beautiful you are. A graduate for that matter. Frolicking around this community with that so-called criminal who is an illiterate.
I don't care what you call him. You can call him whatever you want to call him. I don't care. What's important here is that I love him. That's what's important.
Can you take a look at yourself? Do you know if your father were to be alive, he would have disowned you?
But he's dead and gone. But you want to disown me too? No, Mommy, tell me, are you planning to disown me too so I will know? I can't leave Cheesy, oh. There's nothing that can happen that will make me leave Cheesy.
I don't know what this boy has given you.
Onyoi, onyoi, ajawa, osobowa, onyoi, onyoi, ajawa, osobowa, ai, obodo at the mention of his name.
Hey! Vicky, yo! Vicky want the most water? Vicky, yo! Vicky, breaking. Vicky?
What?
Breaking news.
What is it? What's your problem?
Dash down.
For what?
Or can call out.
See, only can talk, let me get up from here. What is it?
Go. No, don't it go.
You're not ready to go.
I'm calling again. Can you see the shot like that? But don't worry. I think the king will banish you from this community tomorrow morning.
Nika, be serious. There's everything you joke about. What did you just say? Nika.
He's a comedian. They will banish him from this community. Memories in those she. Can't you hear? They will banish him.
Nika, that's a lie. What is it? Are you serious?
Yes.
Where is she running to?
Ask her before she leaves. Oh, you want to do now by Saturday? I want to do now. I need you to before she leaves. Mama,
onyoi, onyoi, ajawa, osobowa, onyoi, ajawa.
It's cheesy, they're banishing you. Why? They're banishing, I don't know why. I'm just going to go and confirm. Let me go with you. No, don't worry, no, leave this. No. Vicky, are you sure you are fine?
Baby, I hate to be banished tomorrow. Is that true?
Eh?
I hate to be banished tomorrow. Is that true?
Who told you? Why?
My brother did.
Well, that's what everybody thinks now. I'm on what on you now? What on me rule? I didn't faceless.
Are you sure?
My boy, I go shock them one by one. They okay for bra. When you over the gym, when they clear over the caffeine, over I believe we see. Why just I thought no to gym, no shaking.
Are you sure? Are you sure
You believe it was in me. You believe it was no any other way.
I trust you.
You believe it was in me.
I was just really scared.
You believe him? I believe him.
I believe you. I believe you.
Why is that relaxer? But you relax about AC, boy. You know what they are. No, I've been seeing somebody there after you. I'm boy that film now. Go clear.
I was just really scared. You see where I ran from.
As no, sis. What I get no, I'm well. 4 times a day. You boot. Yeah. Kind of. As
Namdi, you look worried. What's the problem? You know I'm your friend. So talk to me. If there's anything I can help you fix, I will. Please.
My brother will be punished tomorrow.
Why? What for?
A woman accused him of stealing her tubers of yam, which he denied. And the woman has promised to present her witness tomorrow at the cabinet. I'm just worried about my brother. If he should be found guilty, he'll be banished.
But I thought you hate criminals. So why are you sad on one about to get banished?
Hello? He's my brother. My flesh and blood. I'm so worried about him.
And you think he'll allow the calamity to befall on him?
Anyways, I know my brother to be an unpredictable person, but I'm just worried about him. I'm just worried.
Yeah, don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Thank you very much.
Alright, come.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.
So, let's go and...
You are Emeka, right?
Yes, my name is Emeka, and how may I help you?
Very good. My girlfriend told me you've been disturbing her. Is that true?
Your girlfriend? Who is your girlfriend?
Who is my girlfriend? You're asking me that question. Uju, of course.
Oh. Is her name Uju? What a beautiful name. A beautiful damsel. And you said she's your girlfriend?
You heard me. Do you have any problem with that?
No. General, I'm disappointed. Judging from your present condition. I think what you need is money. Not a girlfriend. I do not need any prophet to tell me that you can barely feed yourself.
I beg your pardon.
An extra mouth.
Is that an insult or what?
No, it's not an insult. Just an advice. Listen, man. You don't deserve that girl, okay? You only end up initiating her in your secret code named poverty.
Do you know that I can decide to break your car glass now because of this insult?
And do you also know that I can lock you up in a police cell for 4 weeks just for doing that?
Do you have police contacts?
My father is a DPO.
Oh, Nagi Wonyeke.
Yes.
Nah, you know, all these things I was just saying, I didn't really mean it, you know. It's just this my mouth, I'll just whine in my mouth. Anyway, Ijoma, oh.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Sorry for what? For intentionally lying to me and making me make a mockery of myself. Yeah?
I promise you.
It will never happen again.
Of course. It will never happen again. I know that. Because I'm not going to give you that chance to lie to me again.
Would you remember? Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect in this state.
Siobina, your own flaws is too much for me to condone. Okay? It's too much for me to condone. Next thing now, you set me ablaze with your lies.
Would you pick on no, please. No. I'm sorry. Eh?
Obina, what part of leave me alone you don't understand? Eh?
Uju? My son, only you can. One man's sport. Someone go up here. Eh? Ofu nwa kalile nwa yi. One man's sport o table. Ofu one cable. Manisi lora. Already Syria. Oroku.
You needed to see the shock on their face. One man, why is Obna? I didn't change now. Even the woman, she could not even explain. Even your husband, bye.
Kako.
Oko na Eko you do mother.
How? Nwa kalile nwa yi. Eh? Ntino ongu abofu anya na suna kago. Odongu kebu. Aka bulago. Ongu ajilago doliye. God, this one is shock you, Abi. It shock you like thunder, thunderbolt.
Guy, how about moon film now? When I got on a fan, nefe. Fefe nefe na. Fefe nefe. I want to do whiskey. My calmness in a chip is my wound, so I know what me wear. You think say, then go pen me. But Miss my man, Uju me my come on. Banimo no.
Ask Banimo na Amadi.
You to come boy bumbo no.
Amadi Banu no.
Only you know what you did to that innocent girl, you evil child.
Banu na Amadi no wala nkechi. Onye gba aka ka ebo. Igba aka. Efulefu ugba aka. Akponi papa you puta. Come outside, father. Oye, is that fatherless father? Nah, mechimanya period. My parents mechimanya fatherless father. Oh. Ole ba obule. Ara buya. Ome mi fe. Onye mutala agu. Ora akuja. E mutala agu. Ina akuja.
Alright. What about this? Choose about something. You don't understand.
This one you're starting your conversation with Chizoba's name. Hope you're ready. Remember what happened to Ebuka the last time?
Obina, stop behaving like a baby. Act like a man that you are.
Onyujo Naraya.
Stop behaving like a coward. They say a coward died a million times before he's dead. Stop behaving like a coward, my man.
Chinonso, I'm not a coward. I'm the smartest person you can ever think of. So don't call me that.
He's the smartest person. See, forget about that, being smart or not.
You have a plan. Wait. Hope you're not planning to attack him.
My guy, shut up and calm down. Let me talk.
Okay. Negant.
Listen, this is about like this now. We need to go closer to him. Are you getting me? Let's make him a friend. You know, there's a saying that said, if you cannot beat them, you join them. Let's join him now. So that all these small girls that are walking around this village now, so they will stop seeing us as a coward. Let's bring him closer.
Negodu Chinonso. Hey. See, okay, don't worry, just let me be the underdog. And no. Remember, a man that goes out to buy a German dog will have a heavy pocket to feed it to. I remember Nigerian or Taliegi.
These are conversations like buying a dog and having a heavy pocket. If I look at what I see,
Chinonso.
Obinna.
Chinonso.
Obi bye.
Bolone can't believe I
can't remember. You only think I want to see Zoba? What's the clothes? I have my.
Chinwe, you did not see me. I'm not blind. Of course, I know you're not blind. So how did you feel now?
Please, I don't want to talk about that. Let me be.
I should let you be. Chinwe, how heartless can you be? Why did you do this to me? I trusted you. Chinwe. But you disappointed me. Chinwe, why did you do this?
Please spare me with all this emotional blackmail. I'm not ready for it. And I have to leave now.
Chinwe, I leave you. I leave you with your conscience and God. Everyone you call to save you in this life will testify against you. You say you, Amado Gababuki.
Auntie Begeri, see. I respect you. Do not curse me if you don't want to get me angry. Okay?
Chinwe, my God will punish you. For this thing you did to me. Chinwe, my God will remember you. No problem. Okay.
Oh my God, congratulations once again. I couldn't sleep last night. Because I was scared. I don't know how I would have coped with the news of your banishment.
Yeah. And I call banish me. So even after all the things what I tell you, you still went ahead and
Yeah, I don't know. I was just scared. What if hope has failed you?
hope no fit fail me. Even if hope fail, okay? For this Agro entirely, this community, now maybe Jagaban. Now maybe the monster now.
Well, how did you do it? What was the game plan?
My enemies now, they prepared food for me. Put and poison, make I drink the juice during the Gentile. I swallow the fufu, lick the soup. No shaking, they no fit now. Guess in the battle say, I'm from more now. This is one name where I no, sir. You go on shoe, you go shoe. No get shoe. You know, that's some.
Criminal! No, Mama, no. Will you stop the man? Hey, Tom, I will slap you. This one, we call this man stealing from that shop. Oh, yeah, slowly now. I want to take no say it's still. There goes the man who's slowly. Got him red-handed. Got him red-handed. Come on, get out. You thief. I don't think for. I don't think. I don't think. The guy say. Shut up. The guy say no thief. This guy not. I don't want to stop. I won't stop at it. Now. Run! Guys, you still out. You collect that. One flight. You feel like saying on the mad at it. That's the way no thief when I say thief. No thief. Yeah? You thief? No be one time. Hold on, let's go. You're
a beast.
The day I was born, a monster was made.
Baby, but you know that this will keep coming up till the one that hooks you comes your way.
Well, man also now. Man also, yeah, I can't be wound. See, we really say, come here, one will leave it. The coach is using I didn't touch the balls on him.
I don't care. Seriously, I don't care. You need to leave this village to the city. So about all these village cases, I'm tired of hearing them. Over there, you get a better life, baby.
Baby, I don't have money to go to the city. I don't have any money. I want to make you
Don't worry. I'll give you my life savings. At least it will sustain you till you get something better doing, okay?
Why do you like disturbing yourself? You like stressing. I like it. Eh?
Baby, I'm not complaining, am I?
Because these people don't do anything. As I talk to you, they don't get the morale. Who does them money?
I just want a better life for us. Seriously, I want a better future. I'm tired of hearing all these cases here and there.
Because man also here about to volume. Who else? Who get the money? Nobody now.
Wow! What a beautiful and nice environment.
You like it?
Of course! Oh my god, the place is so nice and amazing. And you know, I would want you to show me more. Take me around and show me places. You know, it's quite long.
Okay, in that case, what if I take you to the stream?
Are you serious?
Of course.
Of course, I would love it. No problem.
Okay.
Oh my god.
But my princess, don't they have streams abroad?
Sweetheart, they do. But it's very difficult. And if you insist in seeing one, that means you have to embark on a distance journey. But meanwhile, go this for me.
Okay.
Take me to the street.
Hey, my princess. That way.
Sorry, you know I didn't know anywhere.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
After you.
Sorry, darling.
No, I promise to show you everywhere.
Sweetheart, I can't wait. Unika! Unika!
Why can't my name like that? Do I owe you?
Where's the money I kept under my bed? Where's the money?
So direct. Where's the money I kept under my bed? You see me taking the money from your bed.
Who else could have done that?
Am I the only one living in this house?
We are the only thief living in this house.
In this village, am I the only thief living in this village? Don't you know that that's your thief of a boyfriend must have come into this house and stole your money? Because someone gave must have told me about that money.
You know that's not possible, Nika. That's not possible. See, I'm not here to exchange money with you. Don't go in there and drop my money if you don't want trouble today. Go and drop my money on Nika. And I give you 5 minutes to do that. 5 minutes.
Actually, worker, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
You're eating. Worker, go drop my money on Nika. I'm not playing no. I'm not playing no. Okay. Okay now.
Now that you've chosen now. I put it. Pa. Mama, touch where? One car. Come and beg me. I have money. Okay, from that, it will go. I'll buy for you 1 or 2. Nothing now. I'll try. Now you have to also go. Opium.
Everything has really changed. So, tell me more.
Well, the community is... My sister, she said you were there. You said you were going to tell me about your phone.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't know. TV and that's good, man. I'm all quiet, guys. I want to go out.
I'll tell you.
Why not now? I don't understand. Hello. My name is Adeze, the daughter of Eza and Aka, the king of this community.
Say,
I said...
Family, I didn't have any interview. You know which one I will interview. You know get respect. Eh? If you be okay, Doji, you never seen the black elderly man for your life. They mad. Who sent you?
Seriously, you don't have to be rude. Just came back from the States and I want to make new friends. So I don't know.
Oh. Cause say you go state, go do Nash. You see everybody will shoot for the Nash. Don't do Nash. You shoot. However the Nash is great. Koi boy and you go. Bonyala. Nake na rubbish. Who your doctor? Who the minister? You know that? You know that? You know that? She tell you. No, they listen to advice.
You don't have to...
If I salama you, you go know shy days again. You won't collect. Nah, send Kasiaba na Sempel. No, but I told you.
I'll tell you later.
Why not now?
Please go like
This way. No, I'm going this way. Have you guys seen a Daisy?
Which of their Daisy?
The daughter of the king.
Wait, oh.
Do you mean the one that won the scholarship from the federal government to study overseas right from her tender age? Of course, you know her too well. Hey!
Miko, is she back to this village?
I saw her this afternoon on my way going to your house.
I can't wait to make friends with her.
Hey, Nelefa, don't get us, I can't make friends with them. Don't go do. Look at her. Make friends with who? You've not checked yourself. You want to make friends with her. Because see now, Kupua.
Let's go. Relax. You're not even want to even become our friend.
We're going to live. We're going to live.
Why was he rude? Like, he was so rude.
My princess.
He insulted me.
I'm sorry. You see, that was why I insisted we don't talk about him while he was still inside. I'm sorry.
What is wrong with him? What was that all about?
My princess. You see that guy you just saw? He is Chizoba, the most notorious criminal in this community. And on top of that, he is a hardened criminal. So, as the princess of this community, I don't think it's wise for you to be seen with someone like that.
Excuse you?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Better. You know what? We'll see to that. Let's go.
Onyeka.
Mama, why can't someone rest for people in this house? See, I want peace, oh. I want peace.
No. There is no peace for the wicked.
So, Mama, I am not the wicked. Me, Onyeka, Onyima, Mama, your son, the wicked.
No. You are the thief we have in this house. Where is the money you stole from your sister from what she made making people's hair?
Me, stole money. Mama, why are you and Vicky being so direct? Why are people accusing me of stealing money? The question should be, Mama, did you see any thief, any profound thief coming inside this house to steal your sister's money? Or better still, you can say, did you see anything like your sister's money? Because I have not gone into my sister's room for more than 5 years now. Why are you now accusing me of stealing? Mama,
You are the only thief we have in this house. Some people will own your shine wherever.
Mama, I'm the only thief. Okay, Mama, if I am the only thief, and you both know that I am a thief, why are you eating your flesh over the lost money? And you should know you raised a thief, and then you allow the sleeping dog lie.
Oh, no. The sleeping dog must wake up. Now listen to me. You must provide that money you stole from your sister. Else, you will not taste any food in this house.
Huh? Food, Mama? I don't like what I hate, Mama.
Bet it.
Mama, Etiko, Mama,
try to go there.
Mba now.
Mama, I'm done.
Go back.
Mama,
if you want to eat, peel this one and eat.
Mama, you're going to look at chicken. Mama, let me take for you now.
Not if I can do oil now. Never for crab. Peel this one and eat. Hey,
Papa, welcome.
This one you are wearing the face of a castrated he-goat that wants to be taken to the market. Or the one more. What is the problem?
Where is your son, Jesus?
Amadi, please, don't start this evening. Don't come and level allegation against my son for being upset. Biko, don't start.
That's the very day I paid your bride price.
I regretted taking that drink from a cup of palm wine and remaining for you to drink as a husband.
Mama.
If I had known you would be this miserable, I would have finished the whole drinks and threw the cup away. Well, I them at Kawaii Kofoina.
Mama.
How can I want to settle down with a miserable looking man?
This one you are running your mouth. So this is not a matter of running your mouth like radio without battery. For Igwe has passed his judgment already. Your son will be banished from this land by the youths in the next 7 market days for refusing to apologize.
Papa, are you serious?
Shut up your mouth.
My only brother.
Your only brother. Do you think Chizoba is like you? Chizoba is not like you. Coward. You are only a coward. My son Chizoba is not a coward. Now listen, Amadi. You see Igwe and all those stupid youths, all of them joined together cannot do anything to my son Chizoba. I know my son and you know me. We will match them strength to strength, action to action, and they cannot take my son Chizoba away from this village. Only tomorrow they will not let them there. We are not afraid of them. They can match us because Igwe is not my occupation. My son Chizoba is my occupation. You and you, both of you are not our occupation. Chizoba, my occupation. Occupation. My occupation. Amadi came back in the morning, the father, and he told me that Igwe wants to banish you out of this village in 7 days. Why are you laughing? It's a stress matter. The way you need to see the way your father was shaking.
Who be where? Baby, where? Go on, son, name over shoe. You go push. You go. Who born monkey? Who born monkey? Who born chimpanzee? Both of them are same species. Same species, guys. Police, nanny. Ovi, all boss, now what be use? Oga, come on. Where is going to bra? No, we're being there. Open up one monkey.
Wow. See, what you are saying now, if I put it out, was the same language I used on your father. See, now my son alone, my occupation will you told that. Second, who is Igwe? Who is the youth? I find chapter anything. I may not tell.
I want to have a leak. I don't know why you. I think I can see.
Why can't you go there? Where I has go?
This village go hot like fire. No go no ya go ya. If you like yourself, mind your business.
What you do, chief? This village
go hot like fire. No go if you like yourself, mind your business. Boya, holy lamb, strong and mighty, Ike Boya, holy lamb, hot and dangerous. On you see, Boya, holy lamb, strong and mighty, Ike Boya, holy lamb, hot and dangerous. On you see, Boya, holy lamb, strong and mighty, Ike Boya, holy lamb, hot and dangerous.
See, my son, my occupational son. I'm a yoga to down. You have one no go tamadebo SUV. You don't go make a SUV. No that ban akula band asu. Mona nwam na agaga. Also no gebu chala SUV where to adam. Boom. Double SUV to ananya boom. Like that. Bam.
Omen nanya, vum vum vum. The Western one, congratulations. Maka no make wake you wait. Iwelienya. Onenegi neli. Amadio ye. Ha. Oni fam ne wiwe. Na biko we wenya. Ba za. Na bucheze. Malika gonka. One day, all of your tooth will fall out with the water. Or add that to your ugliness. Then my son will come back and will send you out of this house because by that time you won't befit me again. Now, one day your front teeth will fall out in the water as old man. See, I am refurbishing with my occupational son. He's taking care of me. Look at me. Do I look like that woman you married? I am shining with my occupational. Canada with stick. Your front tooth, boom, with water. I will take you out of this house. Jealousy, Jaloma. I go check him.
That son, will you be doing this?
Celebrate with me.
From me, you got
Celebrate with me.
If I have not done the do well, will you get that son?
Do well. It's me that did. Go and sit down.
Is it not man that gives son? Is it woman? Don't worry.
When my son comes back, boom, boom.
It is not by running away from the village to the city that matters. This is what you do not know. The important thing is when a man's child goes out, the important thing is coming back home blessed, not when he goes to the city and with wasted years in the city and he comes back and says something better. I do not see any light in that tunnel. I do not see it. We'll see. Let him go and come back. Make me to believe that, yes, your dream has come true. That's when I'm listening.
Bukasin. Hey, you. Think alright. Who have you done?
EJ, this is what you're really me this morning. I hope there's no problem.
Bukasin. So it's not a bad thing now for me to hear my own friend.
I never said it was a crime. I never said it was a problem. Where are you going to? Now I want to ask you, where are you going to this early morning?
I'm going to your house.
Oh, I see. My house. How much do I owe you? Are you going to my house?
Bukasin, did I say you are owing me anything? You're not owing me.
See, Ozo, I can see you don't have something reasonable this morning. As you can see, I was on my way to get something. Okay? So I have to run along.
That thing you are saying. Haven't you heard?
Ozo, heard what now? Ozo, heard what?
I saw Chizoba leaving this village to the city this early morning. Early kuro. So I said, let me come and tell you as my friend. Ijem, okay?
And so what if Chizoba is leaving the village to the city? Now tell me, how is that my business?
Go and take revenge for Vicky. See what Vicky do you. Go and take revenge.
May God punish your entire generation.
Why the insult?
I say, may God punish your entire generation.
Because why are you insulting me now?
Very, very stupid.
Me? Ozambamba.
I can see you don't have any reasonable thing to tell me this morning. I have to go. Thank you, because you're just being unreasonable.
Zozawa.
I will be counted as one of the most useless and stupid, wayward idiot if I allow your stupid self deceive me again.
More stupid.
I'm out of this place.
Bukasin, calm down, oh. Bukasin, calm down, oh. Why this guy to the get hot temper? Me, Ozambamba, stupid man. Hey, oh, yeah, no problem.
Here, from here. You get, and after everything, come and collect your 10,000 naira. From here, yes, and that's true here. Or do you want me to give you another person that will assist you?
No. I will do it over me.
Oh, yeah, go. Start doing it.
10,000 miles, go.
Start doing it. Small time, I will leave here now.
Go.
What is going on here?
What is happening, I said?
I don't understand. What is happening? Yeah, I don't know.
This is my land. You are trespassing.
Oh. Can I hear you? What did you just say? This is your land?
Yes, of course.
This land belongs to me now. Chizoba, what is it? Chizoba?
That useless son of mine sold my land without my consent.
Wait, Chizoba is your son?
Yes.
Now he sold the land to me, so now the land belongs to me. So you have no impetus to come here and say, this is your land, rather it's mine.
And he gave you all the documents?
Thank you, sir. I'm done. Go. So do the work I asked you to do, please.
Yes, sir.
Let me know who will come here and tell me nonsense about it.
Hi.
Now look at this man.
It cannot happen. Hi! The only plot of land that is remaining is a lie. Nobody can sell it. I must get my land back, whether they like it or not. I must get it back. That useless son of yours. Over my dead body, I was passing my land now. Only to find somebody walking on the land. And I asked, what are you doing there? They said you bought my land from your so-called son. So your son sold my piece of land, the remaining one I'm having, even when I'm still alive, without my notice. What right does he have?
But why are you shouting?
You're asking me if I'm shouting.
Why are you shouting? Because as far as I can remember, Chizoba is your first son. And he owns all your property, including this house.
Does that give him right to sell them?
Anybody has right to sell whatever that belongs to them anytime.
Even when I'm still alive.
Amadi, does it matter? You like trouble. Oh, does it matter? Only for me.
Why am I even trading words with you? All I know is that that piece of land, I will reclaim it back. Whether you like it or not. I will reclaim it. And where is that so-called motorcycle he bought with the money? Because I must resell it to claim my money back.
Amadi, you know you have been ranting since I didn't say a word. If I see your hand near that motorcycle, the motorcycle he kept under my care. If I see your hand there or your eyes close to it, I will kill you and hang myself.
What? You are joking.
I must tell you.
You will die before me.
No, I will kill you first. When I'm sure you died, then I will go and hang myself.
You will die before me.
And even when I'm dying, so forces can retrieve me.
Just watch it, you will see.
Pull the thing away and I will survive. Nonsense. Good morning. Just come. Are you now going to pretend that you have not heard that my occupation, my son, has left this miserable village to the city to make money? Is that why you're pretending to show me now?
And even if I did, how is that supposed to be my business?
No! It's supposed to be your problem. No, it's your business too far. It is your business. And it's a big problem to you. Because all of you have ganged against my son, gossiping with my son's name that he will never succeed in this village. But he has surprised you all. Yes, he has surprised all of you. Now he has traveled to the city to make money. And very soon, to your own dismay, my son will come back with big money and plenty cars.
God bear me witness, I've never wished your son evil.
Are you not denying? You are denying.
Auntie, Okachi, who told you that city is ultimate ticket to riches? Who told you that?
Hey! Una Lugonia! My neighbors, Una Lugia! We've got witches and wizards. Never! Witches and wizards in our village. Never! Oh, I just tested you a little. And you have opened your mouth wide to confess your wicked intentions. Can you imagine what you're telling me? How am I sure that city is an ultimate prize to become success? My son will fail you people. He will surprise all of you because he will succeed. He will succeed in the city and he will come back with those riches here. Okay, my occupation will surprise all of you.
Let's wait until he surprises us.
He will do it. No Amosu. Which? I know you. I know your plans. But look at you. I know all your plans. How painful it is in your heart that my son is succeeding. When you came knocking at my house, telling me that my son came to your farm and stole 2 bags of yam. When my son has labored to help you harvest all your yam. You have 2 bags. Instead of saying thank you, you came to blackmail him and even drag us to that hungry looking Igwe. What happened next? I called him. I made bound overpass. Now you can go.
Support.
Let's
wait.
My son will succeed. He will succeed and he will bring plenty money. He will bring cars. All my occupation. All of you are not my occupation, including that Igwe, my son is my occupation and he will come back with riches, with cars. But you see all Johnny Noble, including that your Igwe and his cabinet member. Who cares? The witches and wizards. Obegeli will show Amosu. Nonsense. I know your plans.
Don't worry. Be going. Let me start going there now. Please, let me go and tell my friend that the girlfriend is back, okay? Bye-bye. I'll talk to you later, eh?
This village go hot like fire. Oh no, no, go no. Oh no, yeah, go yeah. If you like yourself, mind your business.
When you don't know, no man up here. I want to you see?
Down 3 naira.
I know where you were.
Down 3 naira.
Where you from? Carry me.
No place from Junction.
So from Junction now, 100 naira.
Yes, ma'am.
You know where you did? Now my compound is this.
I know now. Down 3 naira.
So you want for that 100 naira?
Yes.
For my compound?
Yes.
In fact, I know they give you money again. Alright? Start this machine. Now. Why on up here? On the more Kegwe and the cabinet. Unu chapu ndi ala, dumbu. Agum down, I think boy and attack. Yeah, you don't compare with mine. Never quite one day, public and I
Where are all the cars and money?
Cars.
That dog is you. What I can sit down on the well, fair wow. God will make me. I think saying I wouldn't have one. The city is not easy.
Not just over, please. Let it not be that all these excuses are because you didn't come back with something.
I'm telling you.
So all the hunting you have been doing around city as big as it is cannot hunt anything out from this. Hey!
But this is not my calling. I get back to this village because money they get. If I hustle. You want to tear man go. This is one month. You know, but I have a call. Let's have a phone. By this young woman na kunku. You understand? Good day here now.
I'm a sicker guru carton in law instead of phone, whatever. There's 11 and make coffee. Can't come out. Now you go for more. Baby, are you aware that you have been punished for 10 years in this village? And that you'll be in a deep trouble if anybody gets to see you? Eh? I was just hoping that you come back with money and cars so that you use them to seal their mouths, all our enemies.
Mama, even though I don't come back with enough money and plenty money, I will still silence their mouth. I will say, anyway, they're not done now. I'm already got to
people go more.
Now my head in the
Only when can about the con no.
I'm not too fun.
Hey!
Man on a village, I'm going to go. No one, more in the way ground. People remember you, then you saw, then you started to come from no shaking.
Oh, saving Montana City.
Yes, sir. Didn't have been a yard. Oh, okay. You're going to toss it, just to make it a compliment. Yes, I'm out of all the answers. I can get the material. One, I have bomb because Bunka statement in my mind and the 12 will come back now. Powerful is here to me. Asaman Obiani. Mama.
Baby, what are you doing with that?
Samia, my newborn baby.
You lie, you're joking with me, right?
Papa, newborn baby. I decided to take you to the next level.
You serious?
Came as well, Papa say, I want to shake their leg all over. Then go, no, say we don't show.
See, right now, I have a lot of feelings after, like, I want actually, let's just go and celebrate.
Alright, celebrate. Mama, don't you care?
You know what? Leave me go.
Lock the door. Ah. Who no go? No go, no. And who no go, no. Yeah, then now, why now? As a mount to all the go back and be I clear.
I'm not let's go. Hey! Come on from there. Before I close my eyes and open it, you want to go and celebrate this big guy to my boyfriend.
Madam,
Hey, and you this kidnapper, you this criminal, I don't want to see. I told you several times I don't want to see you, my daughter. I told you.
Madam, you're not going to come. Madam, I like someone else. I like one day. I made this question so I won't have joy. I don't get joy. It's trying to really talk to me anyhow because I'm not whining and Are you not happy that you have a potential in-law like me that they protect in your family?
I reject having you as a son-in-law.
Hey!
If I eventually madam, go correct. Go correct.
My boyfriend, I should not like my boyfriend. Let's go, please. You're not going inside, though. Come back and meet. Hey!
Okay. Yeah, no way. Nandina, I come home. I'm not like what here.
Come here.
I need that to stop. I don't know any song. Charlie of one equal. I need to say to you, what am I tell you? One of them who war.
What? What is he doing in this community?
I don't know, Your Highness. I don't know. I just saw him murdering the entire community on top of his bike.
Are you telling me these people did not inform me about my declaration?
I don't know.
We have to fetch him to this palace immediately. Gas!
Nnamdi!
Papa, welcome.
Where is your mother?
She's inside.
Call her for me.
Okay.
Amadi Onije. Good afternoon.
What's good about the afternoon?
Oh, there's nothing good about the afternoon. You're calling me.
Didn't you hear about the Igwe's verdict? What is your son? Is he still loitering around doing in this community?
If I say you're a coward now, you will take an offense. What is my business with Igwe's verdict? Is the boy you're talking about not your son? Eh? Chizoba you are complaining about, is he not your son? You are in a more better position to tell him. After all, you conspired with Igwe and expelled my son. Okay, Zurolulu. Now, you put the same message. No. Eh? Why can't you talk to your son man to man if you are man enough yourself?
Woman.
You're a coward.
I am not here to listen to your stupidity. Are you hearing me?
If I'm stupid, you're a coward.
You better tell your son the truth and ensure he leaves this community as fast as possible.
That is the only thing good for you. That is the only thing you want. To take my son away from this community. Then you will have rest. He may want to rest. There's no rest for the wicked. Because we're a very wicked man. Terribly wicked. I've never seen a man who doesn't defend his family. You don't defend your family. You don't know where. Even in that palace, you will go there, you carry bad news, you come back home. Which news have you ever brought back home? None. There's no peace for the wicked. My son will be in this village. You will remain. And I will also remain. No. Enough of this calling me and addressing me. I don't have time with you.
Your son must leave this community.
And what have time for you, Amadi?
Your son must leave this community.
I don't have time for you, Amadi.
I have told
Coward!
You. Anyway, you don't worry. It is not your fault. When it is time, you will know really whether I am a useless man. The time for that will come. No problem.
Now get an Amazon I make I know when I go. I mean I that's where resemble me.
You have to come with us to the palace now.
Shut up. Shut up. Who tell you? Come on, stand here. My order. Making the order. Eh? Come. Who they paint your stupidity? Who the designer? Who be your doctor? If you go, that is if you go come off here with your life. But in case you do, okay, tell your doctor make you slow down. Make him know the science way they mix. Because if you go mix the one way you go use go slap military man, you no go easy for Etiko. And I make am no get sent for Bible. You mad? No they see clearly.
You don't have time to waste here talking with you. Body this man, let's get out of here.
If you near here, I go collect you.
Come on. I tell you to bundle this man, let's
go with this. Come on. I don't decrease. Wait, make I pack well. No, so I make me hold it.
What is this guy?
I don't so. I don't so. Now I'm my Etiko so. About one now, so. I won't raise you now one day. Melune, well, one morning when I see what I am after from Oki when I wouldn't see you somewhere. I don't know. Now, Momo. Imaro. And maybe Abraham for this young guy. You know, Jews of carry. Okay, in a Napala. I can let you well. I don't say you need a survivor. Survivor. Go tell your Igwe. Say you see everybody. Then send you a message, make you go. Call me, they come. Come on.
My Lego.
I don't get respect too.
My Lego.
Who be your king? Your king gets
my Lego.
Come on, I said,
You did what? Namba, you shouldn't have done that.
They go humiliate me now. These people, they wanted to bundle me like this, carry me go to Igwe's palace. Probably Igwe go order the youths to flog me or the guards to flog me. Ondo, my Ulysses come and say, I won't limit or she also not in the sports on the mafia. The Brazil look at Kanye. Ondo with
Ha! Fiapa. Nobody will flog my occupation now. Again, is it? Say what's it now? They will flog you. I'll put that one. I support you. Mana. Okay, we for Zike me. Mana chakwa my son. Give us what Igwe.
By sitting now, I sit down now, kumkum, miss you, and I roll a blue boy in my
Ezoko.
Him and I have a middle of a fete of see, I've in at an for a busy on and Sala. Little Zugad Nimen now, if some man tore down a rubo group and I but to those.
Yeah, Igwe the Nimona.
Nimona, I ended to do that you go.
Now, I got a design occupation now. Collect it. Kamaka. And I tap him. My son, as it is now, I'm open at this village because Anyandi Mbu is too much. I'm an Efifi. Now you change it. I want.
I got
we will not ask you to change it. Walla.
Mine. Come on, we're all.
Walla. I got occupation. I get what cook me go on till occupation.
Oh, you guys are beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Where are you guys coming from?
Market.
Are you from this town?
Yes, sir.
No, from the village.
Yes.
I've not seen you. Have you Unamam?
Yes, Chizoba.
Chizoba, we from Africa and get that. Chizoba.
Yes, sir.
But the survey bomb Chizoba, now boy bumbo, last started to 7. You don't have an anti Zuang.
Yes, sir.
I'm a holy lamb. I told you so, and I didn't know.
Yes.
Are you married? You know?
Yes, sir.
Hey, did you lock you? You live on Abo. When I'm Abo on a daily basis, go I go to Abo. Eh? Hey! Oh, phone. That's a phone. Phone.
Sir?
You see? Oh, phone.
Oh, phone.
Tell me I'm not phone got there then. And do I got there? Ugalele. Well, what take it? No. Do you have your phone there?
I left at home.
Oh, see.
Phone.
Oh, see. Phone, no phone got there then I call for plaza.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'll go phone or more or less in the call for.
Yes, sir.
Okay? You remember my face?
Yes.
Now, I don't shop 1/3 now. By a make off for plaza. So don't worry, me alone will put the room change. A watch? Is that a watch?
No.
Pass it on me now. I'm going to create timekeeper over there. Meeting, all the meeting where they do for this town, I mean they keep time. Them watch and they keep time because you know she say this one now. You go say about timekeeper. You hear that? Feeling I'm a bad in song. All the things where we do here now, holy. You dey hear me? Find them maybe fem more. When I not why they are because you didn't so. Eh? I'm wabu holy lamb. Before Ptana ni bo beginning, atorun so. So na the moon so. Feeling na medin so. Ifen so can name. So no ifen so.
Ifen so.
One me ifen so.
Ifen so.
Him no ifen so.
Ifen so.
You go bell me belle bigo. So na ori an nezu. na mmezu Venza.
Ori anyị na-ezu ihe ezute Venza.
Ori a mmezu 3:30.
Ori anyị na-ezu ihe ezute 3:30. Yes.
Ori a na-ezu na nke ikpeazụ a na mmezutezi 4:50.
Ori anyị na-ezu ihe ezute 4:50. Yes.
Tieni informatic.
Informatic.
Awawa bigo. Awawa. Atagara ọfụma. Ekwekọ ama agba. Ọma mgbọmgbọ nwa akụkọ ito onye zuru ụzọ ọṅụrụ ya n'onu isi na ọbụrụ ya ọ bụkwa na ige ihe eji eme. Mana azụ afịa na Olilam dị nsọ. Ọ bụ atụrụ nsọ. Fini na-emebi ife dị nsọ. Abraham ka ibu n'obodo a ọ na-eche ụzọ pịa ha ma onye nsọ dị nsọ izuzu omume gị ọkụ m start ya n'obi ọcha na ya bịara imepere tu n'obi ọcha otu a ngwa abịa coordinate yourself ka na ezuzu the right time megwa ya ọzọ ewu nwa amosi nọ n'ogbe.
Listen, Obinna, I am done with you and that is final.
How can you be done with me? You know I love you. It's me, Obinna.
And I don't love you anymore. Can't you get it? I don't love you anymore.
Wait, Uju, are you dumping me because of Emeka? Because I don't have a car?
Listen, Obinna, I am not dumping you because of Emeka, because I was not even going to give him a chance. I am dumping you because you are a disgrace to me.
Uju, listen, okay? It's not as if I don't love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you. The thing is, Emeka's father is a DPO. Me, I don't want to go to jail.
Okay, you don't want to go to jail, and you think you'll not go to jail for pestering me around, Abby?
Please try and hear me out.
Listen, Obinna, if you don't stay away from me, I'll report you to my brother. You know what he can do now?
Basi Abadi, what are you doing in my palace?
Your Highness, do not allow the foolishness of my son to come in between you and I in terms of our relationship.
The guard your son shot died a few minutes ago in the hospital. I would make him pay for it.
Please, Your Highness, please.
Basi Abadi, I want to be left alone. Please leave my palace. Leave my palace immediately.
Boss, I'm sorry. I'm sincerely sorry if there's any way I've wronged you in the past. See, I like the way you roll in this village. I want to be your friend so that we can roll together.
I'll see.
Which are you roll?
Joy roll with me as a roller coaster in a fish roll. Boyala. So you know you're saying and you my babe. You did say you want my babe. You want to chop with I the chop.
No, you want to deny it. You want to deny it.
You did deny him?
Better.
Baby. I feel Uncle Polea, no more sister. Uncle Polea.
Beg me.
Baby said, beg me. Because if I borrow Julius beggar, because. Because Ojota.
Lie down.
Because. You say no to be beggars. You see, question. See my office tomorrow.
Boss?
Hey, my family boss.
Boss!
Baby.
I should come to your office now. Huh?
Yes, sure. Come on, baby. Go down. I should get up. Come on, baby. You're here now.
Boss, baby?
You say? You mad? Who be your baby?
No, no,
They thought I don't go give you go buy you. But come on, Samuel, let's stop. Talk the one way you talk, you come like this. Onye ugwe, abangwe. Nigga abangwe. Me, I'm not baby now 4 times daily, one day. Doctor's prescription. Yeah. I'm not trying, you know, but that. Don't let me, I did it now.
At the mention of his name, everybody bounce on. Ekwensu, Ekwensu, Ajomume, Ajomume, Ajomadu, Ajomadu, Ekwensu, Ekwensu, Ajomume, Ajomume, Ajomadu, Ajomadu. The villages in
Igwe, that boy, I don't know what they call him. He is now a beast. Igwe, I mean, he is worse than the boy we knew in this village that left and came back. Igwe, you wouldn't understand how that. He robs our youth. He goes from door to door, stealing from the people of our state.
So are you telling me it has got into all this?
That is what you're saying. If we have got to know, we are no longer safe. Our people living in pain and agony.
Sorry. I promise to solve all this problem immediately.
Igwe, please do.
I have sent the police after you.
Please do for the sake
I
of
hope they will do something.
Thank you. Thank you.
Did you see what your son has done to me?
Amadi, what is it? Ogini. Now, I can never sit and have a normal discussion with you without you reporting my son or the other. Eh? Why can't you allow this innocent boy rest for you in this house? Amadi emeli yeme? Odi akwamma? Eh? Odi roma? Obuneji nwa mwe gwoli yogu. Sipa na efria.
I have been expelled from the cabinet, all because of your criminal son.
Left for me, I would say they wasted too much time from expelling you. Yes? No. Tell me, what have you been gaining going there? No, what have you ever gained going to that palace? You've gained nothing. And how has that palace blessed your life? No way. Because all the time you have been going there, you have never returned home with one good thing. Apart from comparing your son with other people, you keep comparing him. This person. You have never returned with any good thing or defend your son before them. As a cabinet chief, no. Na red cap na kete. You have never used this your office to defend your family in that palace. So it's better they expel you and bring you home so that they can sit with your ass.
That's all you have to say. That is what can come out of your mouth, this woman.
Yes.
In fact, I think it's gotten to time where parents now, mostly fathers, to begin to check the paternity of their first sons. Because I am beginning to suspect that son now. You owe me an apology because that son of yours, I doubt the sincere paternity of that boy. I doubt
it. Just look at you. Eh? Old, clueless, dry man. That's what you are. Very dry. Without clue. God blessed you with tangible son. A son that has something in his head. My own very dear occupational son. He brought my occupation. Neither is the king and his cabinet my occupation. Oh, Chizoba one, that is my own occupation. And your gang up, all your gang up with the palace chief and whatever thing you call yourself, will not destroy my son. You people should leave him alone. He is not the only man in this village. Eh? You know, star does not hide. Because he's a star, he cannot hide. That's why all your eyes, nobody sees anything anywhere except Chizoba. Come home and rest. You just remove that your red cap with that bead on your neck and hand and everything, because it's of no benefits to this house. Oh, clueless dry man.
If not for the fact
Not for that fact
that life is sweet, I would have preferred to leave this earth for you and your son. You live your life and enjoy yourself.
Chepamadi, are you still enjoying this life? Did you hear the name I just called you? Did you not just hear the name I called you now? Old, clueless, dry man. So one way no life I can enjoy. Eh?
If I'm not...
I thought you would have died from being expelled from the palace. Your life is empty. Just go in and remove those beads. Amadi.
If I'm nobody before you, if I am nobody before you, there is someone there who still cares.
Somebody could jump upon a child white. Jabba for Kibulo is sick, Jaguar Kuway. What do you want me to calm down for? Can't you get it? You won't understand. You won't know what I'm going through. The truth is, the more this guy commits and they talk about him, whenever they talk against him, I just find out that I keep falling in love with him. You won't understand.
But princess, I don't understand. How is it possible that you keep falling in love for someone as notorious and dangerous as Chizoba?
Will you shut your dirty mouth? Are you stupid? How dare you? How dare you call him names?
I'm sorry.
But you won't understand. His hardness even made me love him more. I just don't want to have him. I want to be with him often. I just want to be with him everywhere, everything. I just want to be everything to him. I don't care what it will cost me. I don't care.
My princess, why? Why? I'm confused, my princess. I'm confused.
You can help me. Please don't worry.
Protection. Can't you see Vicky? All the girls in this village respect her, including the men and the women of this village. Is that all you want? Is that the only valuable thing you found attached to him? Is that not enough? It is not. It is called stupidity. It's your opinion. You can't force me to buy it. Well, I'm not forcing you. I'm only trying to state a fact, because all that will fade away. If not now, then wash out soon. And how sure are you it would? Is it not obvious? How many men of his kind did it better? Let me enjoy it while it lasts. You can't even enjoy it. You can't enjoy it. Why? Because you can never have him. Excuse me. Get out.
I really have your brother to thank. See, if not for him, if not for him, he actually saved my life.
You're so lucky. You're so lucky, Onyeka.
See, I am more than lucky. Maybe not at all, so maybe by now I would have been brought into ashes.
I've warned you several times. Onyeka, stop stealing. Onyeka, stop stealing. Ejo, you now felt like you are graduated. You go master's degree now, where BSc now stealing. Eh? You now left the shores of this community and went to another community still. Onyeka.
But Namdi, why are you talking like this, Use JJC, you know everything now. Look at your snatch with the Etikos. Look at now, I just want to acquire more money amamụta voice na-adị cheno ije a n'ezi ije nga ma eburu ma amụkwanụ.
You have acquired more miserable death. You now left the shores community. See, let me tell you, you would have continued staying in this community if they apprehend you. But you left this community and went to another community. Nah, you're graduation. You're not graduating.
First, I hear with you the past. The truth is, I am a changed man. I'm done. No, we never steal again. Both inside and outside this community.
Njo, yeah, because still because keep stealing now because see. Still one, please now.
Easier still.
Eh?
Easier still.
Again. Still more.
Still kill.
Again. You're not graduating. You now left this community and went to another community. Graduation, eh? Congratulations, nah. Now I can. Nah, collect. Congratulations. Again. Keep stealing. They do want mama. Then hey, hey, doing no man.
Okay, I want to.
You want to okay, I want.
Hey,
that boy did what?
No, he did all I've told.
Iwe, that boy is getting out of hand, and something needs to be done.
Oh no. Do you know that boy gave me 31 days ultimatum to vacate this throne?
Hello.
Hey!
That boy is a taboo that must not be allowed to stand. We must do something.
Oh no, I've run out of ideas. The police are sent for are yet to arrive.
So, Igwe, what is now your next option?
Because when you will be gonna run time. You understand? Whatever you want to say it. I do not like not touching gum, because I do not like the sound. I'm a busy man. I have a lot of things to do. So say what you want to say and scampelele. Now or pronoun, I beg.
I love you. And I want to be your girlfriend. I want to be everywhere you are. I love your courage. I love your charisma. I love everything about you. And I know I'll be safe with you. Please.
Nwere ọgụ isi. Corona by na brain. Okay? Eh? You want me to be your boyfriend? Abo swear.
Chizuba, you really don't have to sound rude. I love you. And don't forget, I am the princess of this land.
And so what? And so? Who sent you and your princess of this land? Did they mad? If you be princess for your own kingdom, I'll be prince for my own kingdom. Did they grace? Eh? You want to be my girlfriend? You want me to be your boyfriend?
Yes.
You tell her.
I
You know reason and say I get babe?
I told her.
She tell you. You know still reason am. You know still believe am. Eh? I tell you say you know they listen to advice. You no go last for this world o. Onyala. Ekwensu. Na me be holy lamb. You dey hear me? Atụrụ nsọ. Everything na-eme dị nsọ. Ihe na-ele dị nsọ. My babe dị nsọ. You want me to be your boyfriend? Ebe ọ dị nsọ. Ọ dị nsọ. Oh, ọ dịrọ nsọ. Increase your height and waba kita before you change area. Isuzo na ndaga ọkụ Igbo dị nsọ. I nwere ụmụ mgbe ị na-apụta. Ya na-ejikiri na-emele iti n'ụtụ. Iri afụ ụzọ. I nwere oke dị oji na be unu. No get elderly man wey dey dark. In fact, before I go do something stupid, make I just leave you the scampelele from here, idiot. Also, you know that bad idiot.
Get key machine. It's key machine. It's you. Go one key machine, my bar now. Huh? Madam. Madam, who collect my machine, key machine here? Why don't we come supper? God, you ain't get me. You ain't get me. Yeah, I want to go tomorrow and I'm the phone now. Let me call for plaza. Yeah, Alabama. Enjoy your food. Some of profit on there. One night as I can't worry for you. No, you call. Only you're going to do that. What's in make a tea, but I have some more. Maybe I will learn. Go with that. African magic will you go to there. Oh, God.
Was he referring to me? The piece is already full. Shut up! The truth is, no matter what he does, I still love him.
That boy, I will deal with that boy. I will show him and he will. What is delaying the DPO from sending his boys? Let me see you tapping your finger, tapping your finger.
This village go hot like fire. Oh no go no. Oh no yeah go yeah. If you like yourself, mind your business. So as you okay me so gay. This village go hot like fire. Oh no go no. Oh no yeah go yeah. If you like yourself, mind your business. So as you okay me so gay.
Confessional man. Hey. No. It is a wrong. I don't even have money in my pocket. Hey! Amadi amubwem na mo. She's over here. No, I shouldn't have encouraged my son. I shouldn't have encouraged him. I would have told him the truth. There's no gain, no. If these people kill my son, what will I do? Eh? Hey! No.
At the mention of his name, everybody bows on. Ekwensu, Ajomume, Ajomadu, Ekwensu, Ajomadu. The village is in trouble, they live in fear. Nobody dares it, oh Regionia. Chizobage boogie, Imagia. Ai, Obodo, Chizoba.